The plural. How to form the plural in German. In general, there are some ways to form them. Here you can see, for example, if a noun ends in I, you add an N. For example, Blume, Blumen, Hose, Hosen. If nouns end in ER as well as EL, there's no change. For example, Bäcker, Bäcker, Italiener, Italiener. Or Ärmel, Ärmel, Beutel, Beutel. If nouns end in vowels, for example, A, E, I, O, U, or others, you add an S. For example, Café, Cafés, Tabu, Tabus, Taxi, Taxis. If there is an English or French loan word, you just add the S like in English and French. Apartment, apartments. Restaurant, restaurants. I hope you enjoyed this video, so give me a thumbs up and share it. See you!